up, guys? So this is gonna be this was supposed to be a quick unboxing video for my new iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch 128 gigabyte Wi-Fi model, which retails for $7.99 in stores plus tax. But I actually got mine on Offerup, sealed. It was brand new still. It was I got it for $720. It was supposed to be $700, but the guy told me if I wanted to get it for, if I was willing to pay another $20 for him to pretty much just deliver it to me. He was like an hour and a half away from me, so I did not mind paying the extra 20 bucks because I didn't feel like driving. And we did the whole transaction like at almost midnight yesterday. Technically 2 days ago, I guess. I'm not sure. I got it on Tuesday. It is currently 1:04 in the morning, but I wanted to do this video because my kids are asleep and my wife is dyeing her hair, so it's the perfect time. But yeah, this is again the 11-inch. This is the 2020 model, as you can see from the cameras right there. It has the dual cameras, has a 10 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 12 megapixel lens as well with a LiDAR scanner. Flash. I know that the cameras, I know that it can record at 4K with 60 frames per second. If I'm wrong, go ahead and let me know in the comments. This is I'm new to this. Pretty much like your average consumer. You're probably wondering why I even got this iPad, but I'll explain later in a bit. I know that the front camera can record at 1080p, which I thought that was cool too. And I actually tested out the camera outside in my car, and I thought it was like, it looks better than the camera that I'm using right now. But if I can answer that question, so I can answer my own question. I actually got this one because I wanted to use these cameras, front and back, plus the iPad for my video editing. So I know that some people, I have seen other videos where people in the comments are saying that they pretty much were able to replace their laptops with these iPad Pros. I've never actually owned a laptop. I have a Chromebook, which kind of works like pretty much as a tablet with a keyboard. And it was okay, but the display was not the best. It's not that bright. The colors are kind of off. But again, it is only like a $200 Chromebook. So I was totally understanding. I got it for free with a Frontier promotion that it was going on at the time. But I decided to, well, this was actually my early Father's Day gift. I found it on Offerup. My wife was going to get me one anyways. And so she was like, when I saw the price and she saw the price, she was like, go for it. She just wanted me to be safe. So again, $700 on Offerup. I did take my brother-in-law just to be safe. It was, again, the transaction happened like almost at midnight. So, you know, whenever you're doing something that involves kind of a lot of money, you should take somebody just in case you don't want to get robbed. Also, when it's something like this and it's sealed, you should, I would recommend still opening it there before actually completing the transaction, just because you don't want to get scammed, you don't want to get robbed. I've seen videos where people like literally thought they bought an iPhone 11 for a pretty good price, and the outside, the case was like the whole phone looked like the iPhone 11, but once they like started playing with it, they noticed, I think instead of the App Store, it was a Play Store, and then when they went to the settings, it came out like way off. It wasn't the iOS. So you always want to be sure, even when it's sealed. Some people know people that can seal stuff back up. So, you know, just to be safe, you should always open it up there before you complete the whole transaction, which is what I did. The guy was really cool. He pretty much told me that he got a deal for the 500 gig model. I'm not sure if it was for the 11-inch or the 12.9 one, but so pretty much I guess he got that deal right after he bought this one, so he decided to sell this one for cheaper just to get some money back. To be honest, that part sounded a little fishy to me. I don't know how he got this, but I don't really care. I got it for $700 and it was new. Anyways, this does have 4 speakers, 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom, with the Type-C. The inside of the box, you get your 2 stickers, your 2 Apple stickers, a Type-C cord, and a Type-C 18-watt power brick, which is cool because my phones use the same thing anyways. So also I have Type-C stuff all over the place now. Alright, so this is actually the little base that comes with the OtterBox case, if you guys did decide to get this case. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but it is a $90 case. Just wanted to show you guys also how quick this unlocks. If you noticed, literally right when like, you can see the little thing just unlocked right there. The little lock like opens up. Again, it does it like instantly. Awesome. It's 120 hertz screen. This Fortnite just does not want to download. Okay, I'll go back to that. Let's see. Oh, I was actually gonna test out the audio because of the 4 speakers. I thought that was cool. I'm gonna go to one of my own videos. I don't want to get any copyrights or whatever. It wasn't bad, but I noticed it more than I did with my other game monitor. So I kind of had to fix it. Maybe if we put some music. This is one of the things I actually enjoy, is the fact that you don't have to use the keyboard. This is just a new iOS in general. You don't have to use this whole big ass, you don't have to use this big keyboard right here because it's extremely hard to actually put your hands and your thumbs to type like that. So unless you have it flat, you can kind of use all fingers, but I actually enjoy just using a small version like this, so I could just use one hand. And you can use the swiping. So there you go. See, it's cool. I don't know what to look up, so I don't want to get any of those copyright things on my channel. So I clicked my own video, but my own videos don't have that great of an audio. Once I start using this iPad to record, though, it will have better audio, because the majority of the other iPads only have 2 microphones, and this one actually has 5. So audio should come out a lot better in this than it does on my phone and on the other iPads. There it is, guys. See the camera. I was gonna say it's not gonna look that great just because of the flash in the way and stuff. Again, camera test is gonna come in the future. Let's see.
However did you find your way here?
This is all kind of new to me just because I haven't been using iOS stuff for like 2 or 3 years already. This is cool though. All you gotta do is for this little area to come out, for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, I think AirDrop, airplane mode, all that to come out, you actually have to pull up and down from this right corner. If you want to see your notifications, pull down from the middle. If you want to add something to the side over here, I know you could just hold down the app that you want to pull out. Whoops. Pull it out and drop it right there. Comes out like this mainly because of the Netflix. So Netflix doesn't actually allow you to have 2 apps out at the same time, like the split screen. But if I have YouTube out, check it out. Whoops. There you go. And you can move it to the side. See which one you want to see more. Put it in the middle. And I don't know why you would have it like this, but this looks enough. So, alright guys, so I'm gonna take that out before again I get in trouble. Oh, one of the other things, whoops, this is how you, it's not coming out. Okay, that's how you take out all the apps, and then you just swipe to take them all off. Whoops. Anyways, this was just supposed to be a quick unboxing. I'm gonna be doing a camera test video and letting you guys know how it's going with the video editing. Again, this is the iPad Pro 11-inch 128 gig model. Let me know if you have any questions. I can answer anything that you guys have in the comments. Again, I'm new to this, so let me know what I can do to improve my videos. I want to do the best that I can do, so yeah, just let me know down in the comments anything you would like to see, maybe any recommendations on future stuff that you might want to see, or maybe something that you might want to see me review. Again, this was pretty much just an unboxing. I've only used the iPad for like about a day, so I don't really have too much to say on it yet, but I will be posting more videos in the future. So hit that notification, hit the notification bell, subscribe, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and again, let me know what I can do to improve, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.